Good afternoon. This is Lynn from Paper Piece Crafts. I'm hopping on really quick because I happened to just stop into my Ollie's and I came across a couple of items that I thought would be wonderful for you to find if you happen to be able to go into your Ollie's. There's this Astro Designs paper. It's cardstock, 94 brightness, 100 sheets, 12 by 12, 53 pounds, 147 GSM, $2.99. $2.99. $2.99. Grab that. I am about to experiment with something because I want to work on something a little different for maybe a pop-up shop. I came across, and I'm not a big tie-dye fan, but I plan to tie-dye and do something else to it. So I came across this little tie-dye pack, which has pink, blue, and black in it. It says you can do 12 projects. I don't really know. But it's in this little bag. I'm assuming you can take and tie-dye your shirt in the bag. I'm assuming. I don't know. What I do know is this was $2.99. Once again, as I said, what I plan to do is going to have some tie-dye on it, but it's $2.99. I had to show you this. I have these DCWV letterboard stickers. These are silver. I know I picked up a gold pair too, but I can't find them. That's awful to say, but they're in the bag somewhere, okay? There are 188 characters included. These were $1, okay? Somewhere I can put them. I came across this Cricut Smart Vinyl. It's 5 by 5 by 48 inches. This pretty green. I love this. I mean, I think this is a wonderful color. Even though it says Cricut Joy, where is it? It says Cricut Joy on here. Wow, duh. Wow. Even though it says Cricut Joy, as a lot of us continue to say, it does, vinyl is vinyl. It can be used for whatever cutter you have. But this is a permanent, and it can be used, as you can see, for things like your tumblers and things of that sort. It's a permanent vinyl, okay? I also came across these Cricut foil transfer insert cards, 18 a pack, $1.99. Now the original price says $22. I would probably say maybe $25. If you are a card maker, these are wonderful, but guess what? If you are just a crafter, you don't necessarily have to use these for your Cricut machine. You can use it for your Cricut, whatever cutter you have. You can use these to do die cuts. At the end of the day, this is a beautiful, collage of colors put together, primary colors put together that you can use for whatever you choose. Once again, these were $1.99. I came across some fun things. Got these eyeglass stamps. $1. I think this is really, really cute, especially when I'm working on things like tags or multiple other things. These are cute. Got these. Been dying. When I say dying, I have been dying to get these things. These DIY shop bows. These things are one of the things I typically say are everything. I love these, love these, love these. If you know me, I always say I am not the greatest flower maker or bow maker. Now, based upon Miss Etta J's flower making class with a little cardboard or cardstock stuck at the bottom, I figured that out a little bit. And then I think there's LBE basket maker. I keep watching her to try to figure out these bows. I will get it eventually, but these are adorable. 10 in a package, $1. These are so cute. These are so cute. I got these whatever stamps. At first, I was looking at them like, what in the world is that? But you know, there is a scrapbook pad that goes along with these. These stamps were $1. I got a couple of these. These are cute. So many of you have picked these up, and in my area, I wasn't fortunate enough to find them, except for like at my Dollar General, but I still couldn't find a lot of them. But I was able to find these cute paper clips. I have been dying. I have been wanting these so bad for so long. And I have, you know, I actually was able to find these. Each was $1. I thought these were just stamps. These are cute. I thought these were just stamps. Then I realized these are stamps. And then there's like a folder pouch where you can store your stamps. These are Park Lane, adorable, $1. Look at these. These are cute. So cute. So cute. 90 pieces. These are so cute. And they're little, but still, they're just so cute, right? Last but certainly not least, I came across these Vicky Booten Sweet Rush stencils. There are 3 in a pack. Cute. So cute. Look at these. So cute. 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 These are adorable, okay? So, as I say, you know, this is a quick haul for me. I don't know. I might have another one later on today. I might. I don't even know. But at the end of the day, for right now, here's what I have to show you. You probably, like me, when you're on your way home, you stop by Ollie's, you peruse. And I just wanted to make you aware that these are some of the things that I have found. And I hope that you can find them too. As always, thank you for tuning in to Paper Peas. Have a wonderful, safe day. And most importantly, take care.